Some RVs will have the optional battery boost, which is basically built-in jumper cables for your coach. Should your chassis batteries be dead and you need to get your coach running again, you can use your house batteries to jump off the chassis batteries. By simply pushing down on the battery boost button, you'll have to hold it down. That's what connects the house batteries to your chassis batteries to produce the charge. Hold it down. It might take a minute and or two. While you're holding it down, go ahead and try to start your engine. If it's not starting up, release the key, continue holding the switch down. Again, another minute, 2 minutes. That's going to provide enough charge to get your chassis batteries full where you'll be able to start up your engine. It'll also work with your generator because your generator uses the same batteries as your chassis battery. So again, if your generator is not starting, just hold down the boost button, wait a minute or two, and then try to start your generator.